Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share something really exciting, how you can earn money online by simply posting articles with backlinks using Collaborator.pro. If you are a blogger, website owner or content creator looking for a steady income stream, this platform can be a game changer for you. I have personally used Collaborator and earned a solid income. So stick around as I share my experience and show you exactly how you can do the same. Let's dive in. So what is Collaborator.pro? Collaborator is a content marketing and link building platform that connects website owners with advertisers, brands and businesses use these platforms to publish their articles on high quality websites to improve their online presence and SEO rankings. As a website owner, you can earn money by allowing brands to post articles with backlinks on your site. How does Collaborator work? Here is a step-by-step breakdown. So first you have to sign up, register as a publisher on Collaborator.pro. This is a sign up process. You can sign up by adding your details here, your name, email and your phone number. You can either choose your country here and then your password. And after signing up, you'll have to tap on add website. Here you can fill up the details. First of all, you'll have to verify your website. So I'm just verifying through this file by uploading this to my website's file manager. So after completing this site will be sent for the moderation. You'll have to wait for at least 2 business days. Once it is approved, then you can start posting and start earning. So after getting approval from Collaborator, you'll have to wait for the first order. Once you get the order, you just ask for a review. Like after completing your order, you can just ask for a review from your client. So it will help you to get more orders in future. Tips to maximize earnings on Collaborator: improve your website's metrics, increase your site's TA and traffic to attract higher paying advertisers. Stay active, respond quickly to orders to maintain a good reputation. Diversify your niche, add more blogs or websites in different niches to receive a variety of orders. Set competitive pricing, start with reasonable rates and increase them as your site's authority grows. Ensure the articles are published as per the advertiser's requirement to avoid disputes. I have been using Collaborator for a few months and the results have been incredible. Thanks to my niche specific blog, I receive frequent orders from brands looking for backlinks. I have managed to generate a significant side income by simply posting articles sent by advertisers. One of the best things is that I don't need to write content myself. The advertisers provide ready-made articles, saving me time and effort. Also, if you want to write an article for them, they will pay for that as well. So here you will have to verify the ownership of your website. I'm just going to download this file and simply upload it to my server. And after doing this step, you just have to tap on confirm. It will gonna verify the ownership of your website. And then here I'll have to fill each and everything, like whatever details you want to fill. You can just do that, and you can select these tags as well. Once it is done, then you just have to add your pricing details here. You can do whatever you want. This is not a paid promotion at all. I am making this video because Collaborator is genuinely a great platform. I have personally earned a good income from it and I want to help fellow bloggers who might not know about it yet, so they can start earning too. Okay, after doing this, we'll have to fill the details for the websites. You can add details according to your blog or according to your website. After doing this, you can just copy my tags like what I am adding here. You can do this or you can select by your own. After doing this, you'll have to add a pricing. This is also you can select by your own how much price you want to keep. And after doing this, we'll have to just tap on submit. And Collaborator is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to monetize their blog or website with minimal effort. You can earn a steady income simply by posting articles with backlinks. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced blogger, this platform offers an excellent opportunity to boost your earnings. So if you haven't already signed up, then sign up for Collaborator today and start earning money by posting articles. So I have been using Collaborator for a few months and the results has been incredible. Thanks to my niche specific blog, I receive frequent orders from brands looking for backlinks. I have managed to generate a significant side income by simply posting articles sent by advertisers. One of the best things is that I don't need to write content myself. The advertisers provide ready-made articles, saving time and effort. Even if they want you to write an article for them, they will pay for that as well. And also I have added my referral link in the description. So if you are going to use that, I will get the benefit. It's just your choice. If you want to use that, you can use it, or else you can directly visit Collaborator.pro. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide on earning money with Collaborator helpful. If you are a blogger or content creator, this is a fantastic way to monetize your platform. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips to grow your online income. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.